Dear beautiful ladies, have you ever found yourself wondering how to make that special someone attracted to you? Do you long for the attention, affection, and admiration of the man of your dreams? If so, you are not alone. Many women all over the world experience this desire to be loved and desired by that special someone, but often struggle with how to make it happen. Fortunately, with a little bit of understanding and effort, you can unlock the secrets to making him attracted to you. In this video, I will share with you 3 powerful secrets that will leave any man feeling mesmerized and captivated by your charms. I will take you through the secrets step by step and give you concrete examples of how you can use them in real life to make any man feel drawn to you. By following these secrets, you will learn exactly what it takes to make him fall head over heels for you and keep him that way for the long haul. So if you're ready to discover the keys to unlocking his heart and mind, then stay tuned. Don't miss this opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of what it takes to make him attracted to you. Watch this video until the end and start putting these secrets into action today. Number 1. The secret behind his attraction. It's all about the effort he puts in. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, it's no wonder that we often overlook the importance of putting in effort to achieve something. This is particularly relevant when it comes to romantic relationships. In fact, according to the effort justification effect studied by psychologist Leon Festinger, it is precisely the effort we put into something that causes us to value and rate it more highly. In a study on effort justification, Festinger found that when participants were asked to complete a difficult task, those who were not paid for their efforts rated the task higher than those who were paid. This underscores the fact that when we have to put in a lot of effort to achieve something, we tend to rationalize that effort by perceiving the outcome as more valuable than it actually is. The same principle applies to romantic relationships. In order for a man to be truly attracted to you, he needs to invest effort in the relationship. This means that you shouldn't make it too easy for him. Instead, allow him to chase you and put in the effort to win your heart. It's important to note, however, that this doesn't mean you should play games or be overly difficult to please. Rather, it means that you should allow him to pursue you by setting boundaries and making him work for your attention and affection. By doing this, you create an atmosphere of anticipation and excitement, which is a key component of attraction. The anticipation of a reward, in this case your affection, drives him to invest more effort, which in turn increases his desire for you. So, the next time you're wondering how to make him attracted to you, remember that it's all about the effort he puts in. Don't be too easy to please, but don't play too hard to get either. Instead, strike the right balance and watch as his desire for you naturally blossoms. Number 2. Exciting experiences draw men closer. From an evolutionary perspective, men are wired to seek new and adventurous experiences. This drive is rooted in the desire to find resources and ensure the survival of oneself and one's offspring. In the context of relationships, this means that men are more likely to be attracted to partners who can provide novel and exciting experiences. It is crucial to understand that exciting can be contextualized, as different men have their own unique preferences when it comes to thrill-seeking. So, while some guys might be into skydiving or extreme sports for that adrenaline rush, others might be more into exploring a new city together or trying out a new restaurant, The key is to understand your partner's individual tastes and to tailor your shared experiences to fit those preferences. Think about it. When was the last time you had a truly thrilling experience with your partner? Whether it's trying out a new activity or going on an adventure together, these experiences create a bond and spark that can intensify his attraction towards you. So, why not plan a surprise date or take him on a spontaneous trip? Or, if he's the adventurous type, suggest trying out an activity that neither of you have done before. By creating exciting experiences together, you are showing him your fun and adventurous side while also building memories that he will associate with you. In essence, fostering exciting experiences is an excellent way to draw your partner closer to you. Discover enjoyable activities that align with your shared interests, fostering memorable moments that leave a profound impact on your relationship. Ultimately, this can lead to a deeper sense of emotional and physical intimacy that satisfies both you and your partner. Number 3, creating a loop of exciting experiences to keep him enthralled. Once you have discovered the types of experiences that ignite excitement in your partner, it is time to embark on a journey of continuous exploration. What does this entail? What does this mean? Essentially, it involves continuously seeking out new and exhilarating experiences together to keep the spark alive in your relationship. This concept is based on the theory of hedonic adaptation, which states that people will eventually adapt to and become desensitized to even the most exciting experiences. In other words, what once gave us a thrill and drew us closer can eventually become routine and lose its appeal. Meaningful and genuine gestures, whether they cater to his emotional needs or satisfy him physically, perpetuate a cycle of pleasure that strengthens your connection. While engaging in sexual activity can be a satisfying form of pleasure, it is equally important to appreciate and validate him through actions like expressing gratitude and demonstrating affection. Unpredictable and enticing acts of affection, such as sharing intimate photographs or offering sincere compliments, enhance the pleasure response and contribute to a healthy feedback loop. By prioritizing enjoyment, encouraging him to invest in the relationship, and consistently providing validating and stimulating experiences, you can cultivate a positive loop that amplifies his enthusiasm and leaves him wanting more. So there you have it, lady. 3 secrets that'll make him attracted to you. I hope that this video has been informative and helpful for you. While these tactics may work wonders for most guys, it's important to remember that every individual is different and unique in their own way. By incorporating these considerations into your approach, you can greatly enhance your chances of attracting the ideal partner. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more dating and relationship advice. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. What are some of your own secrets for attracting the man of your dreams? Until next time, stay authentic and unleash your inner beauty.